Ooh. Mhm. Yeah. I forgot about. Yeah, I forgot about
You do
taquitos.
something with your arms?
Well, we do like chicken tacos. But I was thinking
Yeah.
since the kids don't eat chili, that I should buy like start doing them like maybe just individual
Really?
enchiladas for me and Ken, like layering them. So I guess if I just so you just prepare stuff, right? You just have like your chicken made already for the week and your beans and rice, and then each day is just like adding like just basically mixing your ingredients. Okay.
Where are we going? To your mom's and dad's room?
Mhm.